Hello everyone, I'm welcoming you all once again to this channel. So today we will make one video on the request of one of our subscriber Aditya. So Aditya wants to put water inside the nanotube so that he can simulate that and test its strength and other properties he has to calculate. So we will help Aditya how to build this nanotube with water inside that. And here I will use the VMD software and another software, that is Packmol, which will be used to help us how to put water inside the nanotube. So let's start the things. Now I will open the VMD software. So we have already discussed how to build nanotube using this modeling and this nanotube builder in VMD. So here I am also doing the same thing. So now I am just changing this value 5 to 20 and also this chiral index M to 20. Now let's generate the tube. So I have generated the nanotube here. Then we will save the coordinate of the nanotube and I am saving it to XYZ file. Then save it as nanotube.xyz. Okay. So now we will see what is Packmol. So let me show you what is Packmol actually. So Packmol is a kind of software built by this IIT Guwahati people. So they have made it actually they made our work easy. Many words we can do, many simulation like how to build the input structure for the same. We can use this Packmol software also, which is very easy to do, and there are many input examples that we can use to build our system also. So see here, this is the Packmol interface. So here you can see the input examples. There are various examples also, and there is a user guide that will suggest you how to do your prepare your input structure and all this. So you can check it here, otherwise I will put this link on the description part. Okay, now we will go to our things. So I have made one input file for this Packmol to mix this nanotube and water. So here is the input file. Now you can see this is the mixture of nanotube and water. Then here I have given the tolerance is 1.0. Tolerance is what? Like the distance from one molecule to another, that is 1.0, and it is the unit of this tolerance is angstrom always. So you can take it 2, 3, 5, any value you can take it. And here the file type we have to mention that which file we want to save our output structure. So this line is specifying the output file format. Then this will be the output file name, that is mixer.xyz, where the first structure we are taking, that is nanotube. The nanotube.xyz, as I have saved it to nanotube. Then how many nanotubes we want, we can put the value. I am taking now only one nanotube, and this is inside a box we are simulating this job. So the box dimension you can take any value, but within that box your nanotube should be fit. So you have to check your box size according to the nanotube size. If you will put any other value, then Packmol will suggest that this is very compact, you can change the value. It will suggest by its own. So then end structure, then for another one water molecule I have taken the same thing, like structure of the water.xyz. That water.xyz I have taken for the position of water molecule, like the 3 atomic position of the water. Then the number of water molecule I have taken 1. Then I have fixed the water molecule center, like the center of the water molecule should be at the position 30, 25 and 18. So these are actually the format specified by the Packmol software, that you have to check how to put the position values and how to give the box size. So like that I have given. Then actually if you want to simulate number of atoms, you can put it, but as we have done this center fixed things, so we can't put same like two atoms or three atoms with the same center, so it will show one error. So I have taken another water molecule for that the same water molecule, but the center at a different position. So I have changed this value to 38, 29, 21. Then just I saved the structure. Now we will run the Packmol. So Packmol is very simple. We can run it by this Packmol command. Packmol less than the input file name mixture.inp I have given. So now I will just simply press enter. Then it's run successfully. It has shown here success, and the running time is only 9.02 second. Now we will see, as we have shown, we have saved our output file in the mix.xyz. Then we will open that mixer file using VMD, so that we can see what molecule has been generated by that Packmol. So see here, load it. I will change the representation from line to CPK. Then we can see. So see here, the two water molecules are inside the nanotube. You can take number of water molecules inside this tube also, but the thing is we have to check that the water molecule is actually going inside the tube, or it's presenting outside of the tube. So that thing we can check just simply by utilizing our common sense, like where the position of these carbon atoms of nanotubes are present in that XYZ file, that we can see from here. So see here, I am opening this nanotube .xyz file. So see here, these are the carbon atom position. So from this we will get some idea like where to put our molecule, so that it won't mix with other carbon, but it will present inside the atom. So I just utilize this common sense, and I have arbitrarily chosen those coordinates for the center of two water molecules. Then I did it, and I saw that the water molecules are coming to the center of the nanotube. So by this way you can do it. Yes, another thing I also forgot to mention, that when you want to use Packmol, just simply, you have nothing to do, you can use this install this Packmol from the apt-get. Just you can type like sudo apt-get install Packmol, then you will get that Packmol software. Like by this command I am saying here, sudo apt, I have already installed, so but still I am showing the command here only, get install Packmol. Just put this command on your terminal, so you will get install this Packmol with your system. Then also one thing to notice, that whatever the file you are using, like as we have used here this nanotube and also the water molecule, so that thing should be present in this directory from where you are running this Packmol. So see here, I am running Packmol from this terminal, so this directory actually. So here I have this nanotube.xyz file, and also I have this xyz water.xyz file. So make sure that all of your structures are present in this directory only, so that you will get your final structure and there won't be any error. So this much for today. So thank you so much. Thank you, Aditya. If you will get your things, then let me know, otherwise I will try to solve by any other way. Okay, thank you. Yes, if you guys want something, like I will help you by any problem you are facing, then you can let me know. I will try to solve it by my own. Okay then, thank you. Bye bye.